Hi everybody, it's Nick here. I recently got asked to do a quick tutorial on how to create what you see in front of you here, whereby the players look as though they're kind of coming out of the image a little bit with a white surround around it. It's just a quick Photoshop tutorial on how to make such an effect. So what you can see in front of you now is pretty much the end game of what you're aiming to get to. And this is where we're going to start with this version. As you can see, you've got everything all kind of coloured in. This is a photo I took during a game I was covering a couple of weeks ago. So quickest way to easily get this nice defined line here that you're looking for is to make sure that you've got your rulers on. So to make sure you've got that on to start with, just go Window and View and Rulers. Get that on, and then basically click in here, click down, drag down as far as you want to go. For the sake of this, I'll just literally kind of do it round about there. And then basically, simple idea is unlock that layer and zoom in using the rectangular marquee. Basically select all of the bits that you kind of want to get rid of up to that line. I'll do it very roughly in this tutorial, so obviously I'm going to chop that guy's foot off a little bit there, but you'll get the rough idea. And again, this is just to kind of get rid of these big blocks to start with, and then you can kind of tidy everything up as you go through it. So I'll just quickly fly through this for you guys. Get rid of all of these bits, and then what I then generally tend to do is zoom right in on these feet, go for your eraser tool, which you can just quickly jump to by pressing the E button on your keyboard. Make sure it's a nice easy size, don't obviously make it like 150 pixels because that's just insane. And you'll wipe loads of stuff out, keep it nice and small, and just get cracking basically. So I'll probably speed up quite a bit of this so you guys don't have to watch me literally cutting out around the boots, but that's the basic idea of it. I'll see you on the other side. Just one thing that's worth mentioning as well here, if you want to cut perfectly along the top here, if you use the magnetic lasso, the polygonal lasso tool, if you click pretty close to the line, it'll pick up on it and it'll automatically link up along there. So again, as you get closer to the subject, you can delete nice and easy sections. Okay, so as you can see there now, I've pretty much got rid of everything that I don't want in the bottom half of the picture. So now I can kind of just pull this guide back out of the way, so just click and draw it and pull it out of the way. And now just to create that nice simple surround all the way around the image, so to speak, just click and use the Marquee tool again just to delete the bits around the edge. And this is obviously a very rough way of doing it, but it just gives you a rough idea of what I'm talking about. And then just create a new square shape behind it. Literally draw it the size of the entire thing, and in your layers just drag it to the behind, and there you go. That's pretty much the long and short of it. Nice quick simple guide. Obviously my final version I've just tidied it up a little bit and put a black frame around it, made it a bit more detailed in and around, kind of like in between this guy's legs here, but for the sake of this tutorial I've left that there. So you can see the rough ideas. Leave your comments and feedback below. This is my first tutorial, so please don't be too brutal, but thanks very much.